Hi foodies, welcome back to another kitchen adventure. Today I'm trying something completely new, cutting a baby jackfruit for the first time. My brother bought this fresh jackfruit from his friend's garden and I was super excited to give it a try. Let's get started. Before cutting the jackfruit, we need to do one important step, apply oil. But why? Jackfruit releases a sticky white sap and trust me, it can be a nightmare if it sticks to your hands or knife. So to prevent this, I am applying oil to my stainless steel chopping board. This one is from HomeCentre and I love it more than my wooden board. Next, I am applying oil to my serrated knife, hoping it will make cutting easier. And of course, oiling my hands is too important because we don't want that latex messing things up. Everything is ready. It's time to slice this baby jackfruit. I made the first cut right down the middle, slicing it into two equal halves. As soon as I cut it open, I noticed a whitish milky liquid oozing out. Yep, that's a latex. Next, I tried cutting one half into two more pieces vertically. Oh boy, it got harder this time. The serrated knife wasn't as helpful as I thought, but somehow I managed to cut it into half. Not equal though. Now let's chop off the harder edges. It's getting more difficult, so I decided to switch things up. I grabbed my Nakiri knife, a sharper and heavier one. It was already oiled. I was hoping this would do the job better. Even then I found it tough to chop through the harder edges. Literally I was juggling through cutting it. I was trying out hard with lot of ways like cutting more into smaller pieces to make things easier. Nothing worked out. But then I didn't stop from trying. Guess what? My brother came to the rescue. Though I advised him to apply oil, he used a cloth instead of oil on his hands. But to my wonder, he chopped it with ease. I was amazed at how quickly he did it. Now I wanted to try again on my own and do it perfectly the second time. Let me do it. But oops, another failure. That's when I realized it's not about the knife but the confidence. So finally my brother did the hard part, chopping off the harder edges, and he did it with all ease. Now I chop the clean pieces into medium-sized cubes for cooking. After all that effort, I can confidently say cutting baby jackfruit is a child's play if you do it with confidence. Here are my key takeaways. Apply oil to prevent sticky latex mess. Use a sharp heavy knife, preferably a cleaver or a Nakiri knife. Be confident. Cutting jackfruit needs firm hands. And that's it. My first ever attempt of cutting baby jackfruit. Was it perfect? Not really, but it was definitely a fun learning experience. Stay tuned for a delicious baby jackfruit recipe. See you next video. Bye.